ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। पूर्व पक्षी has questioned Siddhanti about avidya vritti. He said, why there is need of avidya vritti? Without avidya vritti also, sakshat sakshi sambandha is there with mithya rajata. So rajata bhanam is possible without avidya vritti. Siddhanti said no, because swagochar vritti upahita chaitanya bhinna saktakatva abhava is vishaya aparokshatvam. In other words, whatever is the satta of the chaitanya which is upahita in vritti, same is the satta because of which the rajata is appearing. Rajata does not have swatantra satta. Chaitanya satta, in other words, jnana satta and artha satta are vastavik one. They are one. Swagochar vritti upahita chaitanya bhinna sattakatva abhavasya, then Vishaya will be aparoksha. So for that, you need a vritti. In that vritti, you need upahita chaitanya. Then that Vishaya will become aparoksha. This was the explanation given by Siddhanti. So Chaitanya abhinna sattakatva is of the Shukti Rajata. Now, page number 66. Tika. Nanu. Evam ekam sandhatum pravrittasya aparahiyata iti nyayapatah. Then here what happens is ekam sandhatum pravrittasya. On one end, if you are trying to do some sandhanam, means sandhi, or trying to fix somewhere, other part breaks. Like if you have a small cloth and you stretch to tie it on one side, then it will break from the other side. So ekam sandhatum pravrittasya aparahiyata. Pravritta is a person, the one who is engaged in doing sandhanam at one point, his other end falls apart. Iti nyaya apatah. Why? What do you mean? So Purvapakshi is explaining. Rajata aparokshata siddhaye avidya vritti abhyupagame prabhakarmatavat vishishta jnana anabhyupagama prasangena rajata jnanasya brahmatvahanat. For rajata aparokshata siddhi, you have accepted avidya vritti. In accepting avidya vritti, you have fallen into Prabhakar mata. Prabhakarasya ime Prabhakaraha. तेषां मतं प्राभाकर मतं. प्राभाकर मतवत् विशिष्ट ज्ञान अनभ्युपगम प्रसंगेन. प्रभाकर मत, what is their ख्याति? अख्याति. Correct. Who gave the answer? अख्याति मतं. Prabhakar mata is Akhyativad. Akhyati means there is no Bhranti. According to Prabhakar mata, there is no Bhranti Jnanam. So Prabhakar matavat विशिष्ट ज्ञान अनभ्युपगम प्रसंगेन. विशिष्ट ज्ञान, इफ यू डोंट एक्सेप्ट विशिष्ट ज्ञान अनभ्युपगम प्रसंगेन रजत ज्ञान से भ्रमत्व हानात्. रजत ज्ञानम विल सीज टू बी ए भ्रांति नाउ. How he explains further, and then in Tippani it is explained, so we will see step by step. See in Tika first. प्राभाकर मते ही इदम रजतम इति अत्र ज्ञानद्वयम अंगीकृतम. In Prabhakar mata, idam rajatam, they say there are two jnanams. Jnanadvayam angikritam. Tatra idam iti purovarti vishayam anubhavatmakam jnanam. Rajatam iti asannਿਕ੍ਰਿष्ट रजत विषयम स्मरणात्मकम ज्ञानम. Idam rajatam, according to Prabhakar mata, पूर्ववर्ती विषयम ज्ञानम इज अनुभवात्मकम. पूर्ववर्ती विषय, so in front whatever is there, पूर्ववर्ती ज्ञानम is idam. idam रूपेण यद भासते. idam इति पूर्ववर्ती विषयम अनुभवात्मकम ज्ञानम. रजत ज्ञानम रजतम इति असन्निकृष्ट रजत विषयम. Not सन्निकृष्ट, because rajata is not there. Rajata we saw in Anyatha Khyati Matam. Rajata is Hattastha Rajata. It is there in the market, in the shop. So that Rajata I have seen earlier. Now its Smriti is there. Smaranatmakam Jnanam. Rajatam iti asannਿਕ੍ਰਿष्ਟ Rajata Vishayam Smaranatmakam. Ato वस्तु द्वय तादात्म्य अवगाही विशिष्ट ज्ञानम क्वापि नास्ति इति सर्वमपि ज्ञानम यथार्थम एव इति भ्रम ज्ञान असिद्धि. Prabhakaras, they say there is no Brahma Jnanam. Brahma Jnanam is not there only. There is no Bhranti. Because पूर्ववर्ती विषय ज्ञानम अनुभवात्मकम. अनुभव means it is prama swarupa, yathartha anubhava. And rajatam is smaranam. Therefore, ato vastu dvaya tadatmya avagahi. Vastu dvaya, because there are two things now, idam and rajatam. Idam is anubhava, rajatam is smarana. Vastu dvaya tadatmya avagahi vishishta jnanam is not there. Because in one jnanam you have idam also and rajatam smriti also. Vastu dvaya, there are two vastus. सच तादात्म्य अवगाही विशिष्ट ज्ञानम क्वापि नास्ति इति, therefore according to them sarvam api jnanam yathartham eva. They say all jnanam is yathartham only. So what they want to say is, in jnanam, this kind of mix up is not possible. How Vedanti explains. Siddhanti will ask, means Vedanti will ask a question. How do you have pravrutti in front when a person runs to pick up Rajatam? If I know Idam is here, Rajata is Smarana, why would I run in front? So they say this is Bheda Agrahana. In Adhyasa Bhashya, in Brahma Sutra, Bheda Grahana, this word is used for Prabhakaras. That becomes the nimitta of pravrutti. That is the pravrutti prayojaka. So, because of this, Purvapakshi says their matam also has two: Anubhavatmaka jnanam, Smaranatmaka jnanam, and Bheda Agrahanam. You Vedantin, you also have Antakarana vritti of Idam, Avidya vritti of Rajatam, and between them there is no Bheda. So Bheda Agrahana between Idam and Rajatam. So you are seeing the same thing what Prabhakaras are saying. Therefore, you have ended up in Akhyativadi Matam. So now, see further. So according to them, there is no Bhranti. Sarvam api, they say it is non-separation of the two, of the Anubhava and Smarana. It is not Bhranti. In Prabhakar Mata, there is no Bhranti only. Shukti, Rajata, Rajju, Sarpa, their Drashtanta is out for them. They say there is no Bhranti. Tadvat, further in Tika, Bhavan Mate api, in your matam also, Vritti tad Vishaya Bheda Abhyupagame, Vastu Dvaya Tadatmya Avagahi, Eka Jnana Anabhyupagamat, Brahma Jnanam na Siddhyati, iti sa eva shankate. Tadvat Bhavan Mate api, in your mata also, Vedanta mata also, Vritti tad Vishaya Bheda Abhyupagame. It's a samasa. In 1 number tippani, they have explained, we will see. Vastu dvaya tadatmya avagahi eka jnana anabhyupagame. So here you have vastu dvaya. You have idam vastu and rajatam. Vastu dvaya tadatmya avagahi. Between them there is tadatmya. that avagahi jnanam is not one. Eka jnana anabhyupagamat, because you are accepting two different vrittis, antakarana vritti and avidya vritti. Brahmajnanam na siddhyati. How will you do Brahmajnana siddhi? Iti sa eva shankate. So first, see Moolam on the previous page 66. Nanu idam vritte rajataकार वृत्तेश्च means idam vrittehe visarga lopa is there. Idam vrittehe rajataकार वृत्तेश्च प्रत्येकम एकैक विषयत्वे गुरुमतवत् विशिष्ट ज्ञान अनभ्युपगमे कुतो भ्रम ज्ञान सिद्धि इति चेत. Idam vritti also is there and Rajatakar vritti is also there. And Pratyekam ekaika vishayatve. Each vritti has its own separate vishaya. Ekeka vishaya. This is exactly Guru Mata. Guru Mata means Prabhakara Mata. Guru Matavat Vishishta Jnana Anabhyupagame. You are not accepting Vishishta Jnana. Vishishta Jnana means Idam Vishishta Rajatam. Rajatam is Visheshya, Idam is Visheshana. Like Neelam Utpalam. Neelam Utpalam, you don't have two vrittis. You have one vritti. Neelam is Visheshana. Utpalam is Visheshya. Neelam Utpalam is Vishishta Jnanam. Like that, Idam Rajatam. So, Siddhanti is not accepting Vishishta Jnanam. He is accepting two vrittis. Vishishta Jnana Anabhyupagame Kuto Brahma Jnana Siddhi. How you will have Bhranti Siddhi, because you will end up in Akhyati Mata. Akhyati Mata doesn't accept Bhranti. So you will also become like that. Tippani 1 on 66. Idamakara purovarti vishayantakkarana vritti reka प्रातिभासिक रजत विषया अविद्या वृत्तिरपरा तथा च यथा व्यस्ताश्रयेषु. let us see first sentence. Idamakara purovarti vishaya antakarana vritti reka. One vritti is antakarana vritti. What is the akara of that vritti? Idam. Idam akara. And its object is purovarti vishaya, the object which is in front. Idamakara purovarti vishaya antakarana vritti reka. The other one is pratibhasika rajata vishaya avidya vritti rapara. Pratibhasika rajata vishaya vritti, that is avidya vritti. Another apara. So you have vritti dvayam. तथा च यथा व्यस्ताश्रयेषु पत्र शुष्कपत्र भ्रमर जपाकुसुमेषु गृह्यमाणैर हरित पीत नील रक्तवर्णैर न जातु अपि भ्रमरे चित्ररूपी भ्रमर इति विशिष्ट बुद्धिः तथैव इदं रजतम इति विशिष्ट बुद्धिर भिन्न विषयाभ्याम वृत्तिभ्याम नैव भविष्यति इति आक्षेप्तुः अभिप्रायः. यथा व्यस्त आश्रयेषु. व्यस्त मीन्स डिस्टिंक्ट, सेपरेट. व्यस्त आश्रयेषु पत्र, शुष्क पत्र, भ्रमर and japakusuma. Four objects are there. Grihyamaneir. Patra is harita. Shushka patra is pita. Brahmara is
Nila.
Neela. And Japa Kusuma,
Rakta.
Rakta. So they are given in the Yatha Sankhyam. पत्र शुष्क पत्र भ्रमर जपा कुसुमेशु गृह्यमाणैर हरित पीत नील रक्तवर्णैः. So they are in the same sequence. न जातु अपि भ्रमरे चित्ररूपी भ्रमर इति विशिष्ट बुद्धि. इन भ्रमर जातु अपि कदाचिदपि न चित्ररूपी भ्रमर इति विशिष्ट बुद्धि. So when you see all four things and Brahmara is around, you don't get this buddhi that Brahmara is Chitrarupi. Brahmara is black only. Even though you see multiple things, some green leaves, some yellow leaves, some red flowers, and a bee, black colored. So Vishishta buddhi is not happening there. That it is of the mixed colors. Tathaiva idam rajatam iti Vishishta buddhir भिन्न विषयाभ्याम वृत्तिभ्याम नैव भविष्यति. विशिष्ट बुद्धि ही नैव भविष्यति. व्हाई? विषयज आर भिन्न विषयाभ्याम वृत्तिभ्याम. idam is separate, rajatam is separate, so how there will be विशिष्ट बुद्धि? भिन्न विषयाभ्याम वृत्तिभ्याम नैव भविष्यति इति आक्षेप्तुः अभिप्रायः. So the one who is doing akshepa, he is saying this way, that bhinna vritti is not possible. I mean, vishishta vritti is not possible. And if you take separate vritti, you will end up in Prabhakar Mata. This is the akshepa. Now you see Tippani number 1 on 67. So that Tippani is on the word vritti tad vishaya bheda abhyupagama. On that word, this is the Tippani. Vritti tad vishaya bheda abhyupagame. तस्याः वृत्तेर विषयः, वृत्तेः विषयः तद विषयः, वृत्तिश्च तद विषयश्च, वृत्ति तद विषयौ तयोर भेदाभ्युपगमः तस्मिन्. वृत्ति तद विषय भेद अभ्युपगमे. This is the shabda. So you see how he has done samasa. Vritti and tad vishaya means two vrittis and two vishayas. तस्याः वृत्तेः विषयः तद विषयः and वृत्तिश्च तद विषयश्च इति वृत्ति तद विषयौ. वृत्ति and vishaya, you have antakarana vritti and its vishaya idam, and you have avidya vritti and its vishaya is rajatam. So tasyaha vrittehe vishayah tad vishayah. First is this samasa. Tad vishaya shabda, vritti and tad vishaya. So what is tad vishaya? वृत्तेः विषयः, तस्याः वृत्तेः विषयः, तद्विषयः। Idam and Rajatam, they are the Vishaya. And Vritti also, Vrittischa, Idamakara Vritti, Rajatakara, Avidya Vritti. Vrittischa tad Vishayascha, iti Vritti tad Vishayau. Vritti and its Vishaya, Vritti tad Vishayau. So now you have Vritti and Vishaya both. Tayor Bhedabhyupagamaha. Their Bheda is accepted. Tayoho Bheda Abhyupagamaha. तस्मिन् वृत्ति तद विषयाभ्युपगम अभ्युपगमे वृत्ति तद विषय भेद अभ्युपगमे. हाउ? वृत्ति भेद, देयर आर टू वृत्तिस. वृत्ति भेद इज यथा एका इदमाकार अपरा रजत ज्ञानाकार. विषय भेदो यथा अविद्यायाः पूर्ववर्ती वस्तु विषयः अन्त्याया अविद्या परिणाम रूपम प्रातिभासिकम रजतम इति. विषय भेद इदमाकार वृत्ति विषय इज अविद्या कार्य इदम, अविद्यायाः पूर्ववर्ती वस्तु विषयः. एंड अंत्यायाः, अंत्याया मीन्स रजत ज्ञानाकार अविद्या वृत्ति इज अविद्या परिणाम रूपम प्रातिभासिकम रजत. So two vrittis and two vishayas, when you accept, and if you don't accept one jnanam, which is vishishta jnanam, वस्तु द्वय तादात्म्य अवगाही एक ज्ञान अनभ्युपगमात्, then there is no brahma jnanam according to Purvapaksha. Now you see, so far it is clear what is being discussed.
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
See in the Mula.
Maybe can I just repeat it to make sure I understood correctly?
Yes.
So there are two vrittis, Antakarana vritti and Avidya vritti, and two Vishayas, Idam Vishaya and Rajata Vishaya. Now, Prabhakara Mata says that there is no difference between the two. That is Antakarana vritti Idam and Avidya vritti Rajatam.
No.
But
No. Prabhakar doesn't give this example because they don't accept avidya vritti. Prabhakara's drishtanta is idam is anubhavatmakam, rajata is smaranatmaka. Rajata is smarana, you are recollecting. Idam is pratyaksha. Pratyaksha
there is
jnanam.
only one vritti according to them.
So there is between these two vrittis bheda agraha. Bhedagraho nibandhana. In Adhyasa Bhashya it is given like that. So non-cognition of the distinction, it is not that there is bhranti. I got mixed up between vritti. Yes, there is no bhranti. So Purvapakshi is saying, if you also accept like that, then you are also accepting Prabhakara Matam. Okay? Nanu idam vritte rajatakar vrittesha प्रत्येकम एकैक विषयत्वे गुरुमतवत् विशिष्ट ज्ञान अनभ्युपगमे कुतो भ्रम ज्ञान सिद्धि इति चेत् न वृत् see in okay, let us see moolam itself. Continue further. Vritti dvaya प्रतिबिंबित चैतन्यस्य एकस्य सत्य मिथ्या वस्तु तादात्म्य अवगाहित्वेन भ्रमत्वस्य स्वीकारात्. वृत्ति द्वय प्रतिबिंबित चैतन्यस्य एकस्य. वृत्ति द्वय प्रतिबिंबित चैतन्य is one. Siddhanti says in antakarana vritti and in avidya vritti प्रतिबिंबित चैतन्य is one only. प्रतिबिंबित चैतन्यस्य एकस्य सत्य मिथ्या वस्तु तादात्म्य अवगाहित्वेन. One Chaitanya is having Satya and Mithya Vastu Jnanam. Satya is Idam, Mithya Vastu is Rajatam. Satya Mithya Vastu Tadatmya Avagahitvena Brahmatvasya Swikarat. Because in that Jnanam, Satya and Mithya both are there, therefore there is Bhranti. Brahmatva is accepted in Vedanta Mata, unlike in Prabhakar Mata. See in Tika on next page. वृत्ति भेदे अपि नास्ति ज्ञान भेदस तयोर एकदेशस्थत्वेन तत् प्रतिबिंबित चैतन्यस्य एकत्वान् मैवम इत्याह. Yes, वृत्ति भेद is there. वृत्ति भेदे अपि नास्ति ज्ञान भेदः. Not that there are two different jnanams taking place. This is Vedanta Mata, Vedanta Siddhanta we are explaining. We accept two vrittis, Antakarana vritti, Avidya vritti. But we don't say there are two jnanams. Why? Vritti bhede api nasti jnana bheda. Tayoho ekadeshasthatvena. They are in ekadesha. That drishtanta that you gave, Pita Patra, Harita Patra, Bhringa, Japa Kusuma, they are not in ekadesha. Idam and Rajatam are in ekadesha. So that drishtanta is Vaidharmya drishtanta, not Sadharmya. तयोर एकदेशस्थत्वेन तत् प्रतिबिंबित चैतन्यस्य एकत्वात्. प्रतिबिंबित chaitanya is same in antakarana vritti also. Same प्रतिबिंबित chaitanya is there. In avidya vritti also same प्रतिबिंबित chaitanya is there. तत् प्रतिबिंबित chaitanyasya ekatvat maivam. And therefore this kind of bheda that you are seeing in jnanam, it is not there. Jnana bhedo nasti. नैति. यतः एकस्यैव साक्षी ज्ञानस्य सत्यासत्य वस्तु विषयत्वम् अतएव तस्य अप्रमाणोक्तिः सांप्रदायिकानां संगता इत्याह. So एकस्यैव साक्षी ज्ञानस्य, that there is one साक्षी ज्ञानम, सत्य असत्य वस्तु विषयत्वम्. Between them there is Satya Asatya Vastu Vishayatvam. Because one is Satya part, another is Mithya part. Satya Asatya Vastu Vishayatvam. Ataha eva तस्य अप्रमाणोक्तिः अप्रामाण्योक्तिः, therefore that jnanam is apramanika because it has two vishayas, satya vishaya and asatya vishaya. Satya satya vastu vishayatvam sakshi jnanasya, and therefore it is apramanika jnanam, means it is mithya jnanam. Apramanyokti hi sampradayikanam sangata. Sampradayika means us, Vedantin. We say it is apramanika jnanam, bhranti jnanam, it is sangatam. Prabhakara says that is not bhranti jnanam, is asangatam. अतएव साक्षी ज्ञानस्य सत्यासत्य विषयतया प्रामाण्य अनियमात् अप्रामाण्योक्ति ही सांप्रदायिकानां. Therefore साक्षी ज्ञान, साक्षी illumining this, सत्य असत्य विषयतया, satya is also there, asatya is also there, pramanya will not be there. Pramanya aniyamat apramanyoktihi, it will be considered as apramanic. Apramanyoktihi sampradayikanam vedantina. So we have to see third number tippani on this page. Somebody has a question?
Swamiji, if with this samadhanam, will not everybody have this type of a bhranti all the time? Because all the time the Pratibimbita Chaitanya is one. All the time it is Ekadesha of Shukti and Rajata. So anybody who sees Shukti should be having a bhranti. And all the time we see the Shukti, we should have the bhranti.
No, why? If we see Shukti as a Shukti, why it will be Bhranti? There is no avidya vritti then. When avidya vritti is involved, then only there are two vrittis, antakarana vritti and avidya vritti. If Shukti is seen as Shukti, there is no avidya vritti.
When there is bright sunlight, and anybody who sees Shukti will see the shine on it.
That is okay. Are they seeing Shukti as Shukti or Shukti as Rajata? This is the question. Sunlight is there, bright is there, that doesn't make difference. Are you seeing Shukti as Shukti or Shukti as Rajata? If Shukti is seen as Shukti, there is no avidya vritti.
Okay.
Third number tippani. ननु इदम रजतम इति अत्र वृत्तिद्वयं स्वीकृतम्. पूर्वग्रन्थे तत्र इदमाकार अंतःकरण वृत्तिरेका तया च पुरोवर्ती वस्तु गृह्यते. इदम अवच्छिन्न चैतन्यनिष्ठ शुक्तित्वादि there is some word missing. Idam avachina chaitanya nishtha shukti tvadi avidyayaha parinama rupa. Shuktitva avidyayaha. Idam avachina chaitanya nishtha shuktitva avidyayaha parinama rupa वृत्तिर द्वितीया तथा च रजतम गृह्यत इति वृत्तिद्वयेन विषयद्वये गृहीते. ज्ञानद्वयम् एव इदं तथा च रजतम् इदम् इति एकं ज्ञानं भ्रमात्मकम्. So just make correction. एकम ज्ञानम भ्रमात्मकम इति सिद्धांतो भज्येत प्राभाकर मत प्रवेशश्च स्याद् इति चेत्. So this sentence, idam avachinna chaitanya nishtha shuktitva avidyayah, that the actually is va. Just join the two things. So nanu idam rajatam iti atra वृत्तिद्वयं स्वीकृतम. In idam rajatam you have accepted two vrittis, वृत्तिद्वयं स्वीकृतम. पूर्व ग्रंथे तत्र idamaकार अंतःकरण वृत्ति रेखा. One is idamaकार अंतःकरण वृत्ति. तया च by that वृत्ति पूर्ववर्ती वस्तु गृह्यते. Object in front is recognized. So whatever, idam रूपेण. The other is idam avachinna chaitanya nishtha shuktitva avidya. Shukti jnanam is not there. Idam avachinna chaitanya tan nishtha shukti. In that chaitanya shukti is there. Shukti jnanam is not there. So shukti nishtha chaitanya nishtha shuktitva avidyayaha parinam. That avidya parinama avidyakara vritti is द्वितीया. तथा च और तया च actually, because in the previous vakya तया च पूर्ववर्ती वस्तु गृह्यते. So here also तया च रजतं गृह्यते. By this rajata is recognized. Iti vritti dvayena. So now you have two vrittis. Vishaya dvaye grihite. Two vishaya grahanam happens. Jnana dvayam eva idam. This is jnana dvayam. Tatha cha rajatam idam iti ekam jnanam brahmatmakam. Siddhanta is this is one jnanam brahmatmakam. Ekam jnanam brahmatmakam. Idam rajatam. Iti siddhanto bhajyeta. Purvapakshi says, how you will get one jnanam? You are saying, but there are two vrittis and two vishayas. You will end up with prabhakara mata, because they say such things. Iti chet, siddhanti says, na bhinna vishayaka vrityor bhede api. Bhinna vishayaka vrityoho bhede. Vritti bheda is there. भिन्न विषयक वृत्तियोर भेदे अपि तयोः प्रतिबिंबितस्य चैतन्यस्य ऐक्यात्. Two vrittis and two vishayas, but pratibimbiत chaitanya is one. If there is one vritti and one pratibimbită chaitanya, there is no bhranti. If there are two vrittis, one of them is avidya and pratibimbită chaitanya is one, then we say it is bhranti. भिन्न विषयक वृत्तियोर भेदे अपि तयोः प्रतिबिंबितस्य चैतन्यस्य ऐक्यात् प्रत्यक्ष स्थले सर्वत्र वृत्ति प्रमातृ विषयावच्छिन्न चैतन्यानां पूर्वोक्त प्रणाड्या ऐक्य अवश्यम भावात् इन प्रत्यक्ष स्थले सर्वत्र एवरीवेयर निवृत्ति प्रमातृ विषय अवच्छिन्न चैतन्यानां पूर्वोक्त प्राणाड्या वृत्ति प्रमातृ विषय अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य. So in vritti, avidya vritti and pramata vritti, antakarana vritti, Chaitanya is one, how earlier it was explained. Vritti pramatru vishaya vachina chaitanyanam purvokta pranadya aikya avashyam bhavat. Pramata pramana prameya, they will have one chaitanya. Tasya cha pratyaksha jnanasya vyavaharika satyena. Pratyaksha jnana has vyavaharika satyatva. पूर्ववर्ती वस्तुना प्रातिभासिकेन रजत वस्तुना च तादात्म्य अवगाहितया विशिष्ट ज्ञानत्वं भ्रमत्वं च सिद्धिम् इति. So प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान is व्यावहारिक सत्य and रजत ज्ञानम is प्रातिभासिक. पूर्ववर्तिना प्रातिभासिकेन रजत वस्तुना च तादात्म्य अवगाहितया विशिष्ट ज्ञानत्वं भ्रमत्वं च. विशिष्ट ज्ञानम also will be there. Vishishta means there will be one jnanam with both vrittis together. And that jnanam is bhranti also, brahmatvam, because it has satya and asatya vastu vishaya. Siddhim iti. So on the previous page, we completed everything. 66 is all over. 67, we have to start from. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi.